Okay, hi guys. So I really hope this is focused. I've literally been trying for like 20 minutes to focus this. Anyways, that's besides the point. I'm super excited. I haven't filmed a video in a bit. It's funny, I was talking about it with my friend, telling her I was gonna film this video, and she's like, yo, literally every time you film a video your hair is different. Which is facts. I mean, I do change my hair a lot, but also I don't make videos frequently. Anyways, so yeah, in my last video I shaved my head and I've dyed it a couple times and it's grown out, so now it looks like this, but I'm really liking it right now. Anyways, so yeah, I've been wanting to film some style videos and I just haven't had the motivation, but finally I have. I'm super excited. I ordered a custom style bundle from Ruby Lynn, who's literally one of my favorite people. She's so great. You should check her out. She makes a bunch of videos about making bundles and just vlogging and all of that and Depop stuff. So yeah, I am super excited. I love her, and I think I got her last round of bundles because she just moved to New York and so she stopped doing them. So I literally wasn't going to, and then I was like, you know what, I just need to do it, and I'm so glad because she's not doing bundles anymore, at least right now. So yeah, super excited. I'll basically just make a really quick explanation of what I got and a little backstory. I've been wanting to get a style bundle for so long. As you probably know, I love fashion and I've been really starting to ramp up my Depop, so I'm gonna put it somewhere here. You should check it out. Basically, my explanation of what I told her I wanted. I said I wanted just a general Y2K bundle because that's literally been my shit at least all of this month. I've been literally obsessing over Y2K. So that's what I told her I wanted. I gave her my measurements and certain things that I definitely wanted, low-waisted anything, mini bag. Oh, when I said Bratz inspired if possible, I was obsessed with Bratz when I was little, and literally I was looking at Bratz stuff recently and I was like, what the heck, why was their style so good? Anyways, so yeah, that was generally what I said. So I'm going to open this. I'm literally so excited. It took a month to get here, I think. Here's this puppy. This might not be in focus. It probably isn't. Whatever. I hope this isn't messing up. Oh god, the focus is going to be so messed up. Just bear with me, okay? So anyways, there's a couple holes and it also came open, but I think that's just because it was in the mail for a while, tossed around a while. I know she lived in Toronto, so that's all the way from Canada and then way across the country because I live in California. So anyways, I only saw a quick peek because I didn't realize that it was open, but other than that I haven't really seen anything. So yeah, here we go. Okay, here's the open side. I'm so excited. Okay, first thing I'm seeing is a bag. It's a Guess mini bag. No way. Oh my god, this is so cute. I really don't want to mess up the focus, but I hope you can see this. It's a little black mini bag and it has this little buckle and then separate little compartments. This is adorable. I'm obsessed. She did extremely well on this one. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, next thing we have here is, no way, it's this kind of long blue shirt with the BB sequins. I've been wanting a BB shirt for so long. Oh my gosh, I'm literally obsessed with this. To wear this with low-waisted jeans, or could crop it. Okay, so far I'm very happy. Okay, next thing. Adorable. Also, I want to say so far, like, she's doing so well. Like, all of everything so far is like such Y2K vibes, so I'm loving it. And I literally don't have anything like this. I'm loving the blue theme as well. I've been literally wanting, I can't remember if I told her this or not, but I've really been wanting to incorporate like blue into my wardrobe because I used to like hate wearing anything blue for some reason. I don't know. Anyways, now I'll literally wear any color, but this is adorable. I might crop this as well, but I'll see what it looks like when I try it on. Next thing. Wow, she really like stalked me up. Like, what the heck? No. No way. No way. It's like a mesh bodysuit, I think. I'm looking at the tag. Oh my god, it's like a current mood. No way. This is so fun. I don't have anything like this. Tucked into low-waisted jeans. This is insane. I have to like look at this more because there's like straps and like everything and it's kind of confusing, but this is insane. I'm obsessed. Okay. I think this is our last thing. This is so cute. It's little headbands. They're like little glittery headbands. I feel like they'll look better once like my hair grows out more, but these are so cute. I'll still try them on with my hair like this. Last clothing item. So cute. I'm looking at the tag. A little Y2K Aeropostale. Whatever. Tag. This is... Oh, no way. I thought these were shorts, but it's a... Yo, I think this is a low-waisted jean skirt. This is adorable. Oh my god. This is fantastic. I've even like been wanting another jean skirt. And low-waisted too. I'm really excited to style this. Again, I hope you can like see. This is gonna be a mess. I apologize again for the focus in this video. Yeah, that's it. Okay, and then let's see. Well, I got this sticker, and this is super cute, and it says on the back, "Thank you so much for shopping with me. I hope you have an amazing day and love your purchase." So that's cute, but that's literally it. Either she was rushed making these and just like forgot to put it in, or since it got opened it like fell out somewhere. That literally sucks so much. I was so excited for that part. Sorry, that sucks. Anyways, so that's all I have. I don't have like the note or anything. I mean, the goodies I got, the headbands are super cute, but I didn't like get anything else. I don't know. I don't want this to sound like I'm like complaining or anything, because I'm not, but it just sucks because like watching every video, you know, I've watched like 5 million bundle videos. Like, it's always so exciting when they get to the end and then they like read the note, you know? Well, it is what it is. Anyways.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna give you my little conclusion here. I'm like super excited about everything. Like, I just feel like she like nailed the Y2K vibes completely. Like, completely. I'm just like obsessed. So yeah, my final conclusion is I'm like super happy she gave me basically 3 tops and then 1 bottom and then little headbands and her sticker. My conclusion, I was like super excited obviously, and especially after watching so many bundle videos, it's like when you actually like get one, it's like, oh my god, you know? So I was so excited, and I would definitely say that like it lived up to my expectations and is also like worth the price just for everything you get and like the time she takes and like the thought, you know. I'm just so happy with it. I'm so, like I said, like I'm so excited to style these and everything. So yeah, I would 100% recommend buying Ruby's bundles if she starts making them again. And yeah, I love her so much. She's just so great. And I'm so excited. I hopefully will do my own bundles at some point just because, I don't know. Like I mentioned, I'm getting super into Depop. I love fashion. It's one of the things I'm most passionate about out of everything I do. And so yeah, but I'm super, super happy with this. That was so fun. And I'm obsessed. I know I've just like been repeating myself. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. So I am hopefully gonna film another video soon, maybe thrifting related. Just saying. So yeah, look out for that. Again, I have like spurts of motivation for YouTube, so right now I'm like YouTube, you know, and then for 2 months I'll probably have no motivation to film a video, and then maybe after that I'll be like, yo, maybe it's time, you know, I'll get another spurt of motivation, so we'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Like, I had a lot of fun with this. I love you guys, and I hope that you are having an amazing day, and if you're not, I hope it gets better. I know for me personally, there's been a lot going on with my mental lately, and last week was, especially a certain day last week was just horrible, and it was just for no reason, you know? I was just feeling awful and super anxious and just, but anyways, I am doing better this week, and so yeah, I don't know. I'm very open about talking about mental stuff, so I guess I just wanted to share that. As I was saying, I hope you guys are doing amazing, and if you're not, I'm sending super good vibes. I love you, and I will hopefully see you soon. Okay, bye.